This video will review seam adjustment on QVN-1000 series displays. Follow the best practices shown in this video to adjust seams that need adjustment after the display is fully installed. If seams are noticeable, remove the modules from the immediate location to be adjusted, as well as any adjacent modules. It may be necessary to make adjustments further away to resolve the seam. Disconnect panel latches and loosen the mounting hardware to allow for the panels to be adjusted. You may try to adjust the panels by hand to bring panels forward, backward, or together. Watch the seams and insert jacking screws and adjust until you receive the desired effect. For difficult wide seams, it may be necessary to clamp the panels together before making adjustments and tightening the mounting hardware. If adjustments to the panel make it necessary, re-drill the pilot hole using an alternate panel mounting location, and then reinsert and tighten the panel mounting hardware. Reinstall modules into the display and check the seams visually and by touch. It may be necessary to remove the modules again and make further adjustments at the panel level. Continue this process until all seams within the display are satisfactory.